Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to read a book named High School English Grammar and Composition, written by Wren and Martin. Chapter 1, The Sentence. 1. When we speak or write we use words. We generally use these words in groups, as Little Jack Horner sat in a corner. A group of words like this, which makes complete sense, is called a sentence. Kinds of sentences. 2. Sentences are of four kinds. 1. Those which make statements or assertions, as Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. 2. Those which ask questions, as Where do you live? 3. Those which express commands, requests, or entreaties, as Be quiet. Have mercy upon us. 4. Those which express strong feelings, as How cold the night is. What a shame. A sentence that makes a statement or assertion is called a declarative or assertive sentence. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. A sentence that expresses a command or an entreaty is called an imperative sentence. A sentence that expresses strong feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. Chapter 2, Subject and Predicate. 3. When we make a sentence. 1. We name some person or thing, and 2. Say something about that person or thing. In other words, we must have a subject to speak about and we must say or predicate something about that subject. Hence every sentence has two parts. 1. The part which names the person or thing we are speaking about. This is called the subject of the sentence. 2. The part which tells something about the subject. This is called the predicate of the sentence. 4. The subject of a sentence usually comes first, but occasionally it is put after the predicate, as Here comes the bus. Sweet are the uses of adversity. 5. In imperative sentences, the subject is left out, as Sit down. Here the subject you is understood. Thank him. Here too the subject you is understood. Exercise in Grammar 1. In the following sentences separate the subject and the predicate. 1. The cackling of geese saved Rome. Here subject is the cackling of geese. Predicate is saved Rome. 2. The boy stood on the burning deck. Here subject is the boy. Predicate is stood on the burning deck. 3. Tubal-Cain was a man of might. Here subject is Tubal-Cain. Predicate is was a man of might. 4. Stone walls do not make a prison. Here subject is stone walls. Predicate is do not make a prison. 5. The singing of the birds delights us. Here subject is the singing of the birds. Predicate is delights us. 6. Miss Kitty was rude at the table one day. Here subject is Miss Kitty. Predicate is was rude at the table one day. 7. He has a good memory. Here subject is he. Predicate is has a good memory. 8. Bad habits grow unconsciously. Here subject is bad habits. Predicate is grow unconsciously. 9. The earth revolves round the sun. Here subject is the earth. Predicate is revolves round the sun. 10. Nature is the best physician. Here subject is a nature. Predicate is the best physician. 11. Edison invented the phonograph. Here subject is Edison. Predicate is invented the phonograph. 12. The sea hath many thousand sands. Here subject is the sea. Predicate is hath many thousand sands. 13. We cannot pump the ocean dry. Here subject is we. Predicate is cannot pump the ocean dry. 14. Borrowed garments never fit well. Here subject is the borrowed garments. Predicate is never fit well. 15. The early bird catches the worm. Here subject is the early bird. Predicate is catches the worm. 16. All matter is indestructible. Here subject is all matter. Predicate is indestructible. 17. Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. Here subject is Islamabad. Predicate is the capital of Pakistan. 18. We should profit by experience. Here subject is we. Predicate is should profit by experience. 19. All roads lead to Rome. Here subject is all roads. Predicate is lead to Rome. 20. A guilty conscience needs no excuse. Here subject is a guilty conscience. Predicate is needs no excuse. 21. The beautiful rainbow soon faded away. Here subject is the beautiful rainbow. Predicate is soon faded away. 22. No man can serve two masters. Here subject is a no man. Predicate is can serve two masters. 23. A sick room should be well aired. Here subject is a sick room. Predicate is should be well aired. 24. The dewdrops glitter in the sunshine. Here subject is the dewdrops. Predicate is glitter in the sunshine. 25. I shot an arrow into the air. Here subject is I. Predicate is shot an arrow into the air. 26. A barking sound the shepherd hears. Here subject is the shepherd. Predicate is a barking sound hears. 27. On the top of the hill lives a hermit. Here subject is a hermit. Predicate is on the top of the hill lives. Chapter 3. The phrase and the clause. 6. Examine the group of words in a corner. It makes sense, but not complete sense. Such a group of words, which makes sense, but not complete sense, is called a phrase. In the following sentences, the groups of words in bold are phrases. The sun rises in the east. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. There came a giant to my door. It was a sunset of great beauty. The tops of the mountains were covered with snow. Show me how to do it. 7. Examine the groups of words in bold in the following sentences. He has a chain of gold. He has a chain which is made of gold. We recognize the first group of words as a phrase. The second group of words, unlike the phrase of gold, contains a subject, which, and a predicate, is made of gold. Such a group of words which forms part of a sentence, and contains a subject and a predicate, is called a clause. In the following sentences, the groups of words in bold are clauses. People who pay their debts are trusted. We cannot start while it is raining. I think that you have made a mistake. Chapter 4. Parts of speech. 8. Words are divided into different kinds or classes, called parts of speech, according to their use, that is, according to the work they do in a sentence. The parts of speech are 8 in number. 1. Noun. 2. Adjective. 3. Pronoun. 4. Verb. 5. Adverb. 6. Preposition. 7. Conjunction. 8. Interjection. 9. A noun is a word used as the name of a person, place, or thing, as Akbar was a great king. Kolkata is on the banks of the river Hooghly. The rose smells sweet. The sun shines bright. His courage won him honor. Note, the word thing includes 1. All objects that we can see, hear, taste, touch, or smell, and 2. Something that we can think of, but cannot perceive by the senses. 10. An adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun, as he is a brave boy. There are 20 boys in this class. 11. A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun, as John is absent because he is ill. The books are where you left them. 12. A verb is a word used to express an action or state, as the girl wrote a letter to her cousin. Kolkata is a big city. Iron and copper are useful metals. 13. An adverb is a word used to add something to the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. As he worked the sum quickly. This flower is very beautiful. She pronounced the word quite correctly. 14. A preposition is a word used with a noun or a pronoun to show how the person or thing denoted by the noun or pronoun stands in relation to something else, as there is a cow in the garden. The girl is fond of music. A fair little girl sat under a tree. 15. A conjunction is a word used to join words or sentences, as Rama and Hari are cousins. 2 and 2 make 4. I ran fast, but missed the train. 16. An interjection is a word which expresses some sudden feeling, as hurrah! We have won the game. Alas! She is dead. 17. Some modern grammars include determiners among the parts of speech. Determiners are words like a, and the, this, that, these, those, every, each, some, any, my, his, one, two, etc., which determine or limit the meaning of the nouns that follow. In this book, as in many traditional grammars, all determiners except a, an, and the are classed among adjectives. 18. As words are divided into different classes according to the work they do in sentences, it is clear that we cannot say to which part of speech a word belongs unless we see it used in a sentence. They arrived soon after. Adverb. They arrived after us. Preposition. They arrived after we had left. Conjunction. From the above examples, we see that the same word can be used as different parts of speech. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please consider to like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.